What's up, YouTube? Okay, this is Bitcoin. I wanted to show you something. This is Bitcoin in November 2020. You can see the level the ATR was on, and you can see that the MACD has crossed down over here and started expanding, then curled up, and we were at that level. At that moment we were between 13 to 14k, and we had an insane pump. Within 3 weeks we were up to almost 20k. That's about 19.5. It was around $6,000 pump within 3 weeks. But keep in mind, Bitcoin and the traditional markets were only in a bull market since Bitcoin was created, and this was in a bull market. Now fast forward to today, Bitcoin ATR is extremely low. You can see it's at the same levels of November 2020. We didn't touch this level in ATR since November 2020. It's telling me that there will be a big move incoming, big move to the upside, to the downside. Now we need to analyze. At that point, Bitcoin was in a bull market. We weren't in a bear market. At the moment, we are in a bear market, and ATR is those levels. MACD has crossed and came down, expanded, and wants to curl up, and Bitcoin is holding and is at 19k. Could we have a 6k pump or a 6k dump? It's really possible. Just be aware that we could, if we have a 5 to 6k dump, we will just be going back down to the lows of November 2020. We will visit those levels and it will coincide that ATR was at the same level and all that. So we could also have a pump to 25k, but we don't need to talk about 25k if we cannot even get above 20,500 or even 21,400. Those are our levels to the upside. If we can even get above 20,100, we've been struggling to get above this level for days. Look at that. And at the same time, we have support at the bottom at 19,000, 18.8 and 18.2. If we lose those, then we're coming down definitely to see 17k. So what I'm saying is that it is very possible that within the next few hours we have an Asian pump and we go up, fake out, and continue lower. So if you are in a trade, please have your stops and expect volatility incoming. I think we have some news next week, got to do with the USA unemployment probably, or something. I haven't checked that, but I'll double check that. But we have volatility incoming within the next few hours, and it might be big because the ATR essentially tells you the volatility that's there in the market. And usually when ATR drops to very low levels, it is followed with an explosive move. I haven't seen ATR, this is now on the hourly. Now I haven't seen ATR below 100 on the hourly in a long time. Look at that. I mean, if we even go back, let's go back and try to find when was ATR at 69 ATR. Let's try and find when was ATR below 70. This is going back to June. Well, it will take a long time on the hourly, and we might not get all the data that we need. But you can see ATR so far was above 70. At the moment we're close to 70, 69 point something. Yeah, this is February. So this whole year we haven't seen ATR as 70. So that's telling you that volatility is very low, the very compressed price action, and expect a big move incoming. That's all I have for now. Trade safe.